Good morning to one and all present here. I am Ananya Singh and today I feel immense pleasure to be standing in front of you for this wonderful event. Dear all, a lot of effort has been put in order to make this program successful. The theme for this event is Unity in Diversity. India is a great land where religion, culture and philosophy have attained a culminating point. It means despite having varied differences, India stands united. In today's program, the coexistence of various festivals around the nation has been portrayed in a musical and vibrant way.
What happened, Pooja ma'am? Where are you?
Oh, sorry, Preeti. Actually, I thought that I was in Maharashtra and enjoying tradition.
No.
Ganpati Bappa,
Moria!
agli barastu.
Jaldi aa. No worries, ma'am. Today we have lot many festivals and celebrations regarding them. As in India, we celebrate many festivals with great joy and enthusiasm. Let's celebrate another festival of dance and music.
Yes, Preeti. So let's start it with Navratri, which is considered an auspicious festival to start a new venture. And we celebrate this in a different form in a different part of India. So let's start with North India.
करो करो जी कन्या पूजन करो करो जी कन्या पूजन करो करो जी कन्या पूजन करो जी कन्या पूजन करो जी ओ सुख संपत्ति ऐश्वर्य दान दे।
So children, you have seen that how Navratri is celebrated in North India. In most of the houses, we celebrate in the same way. But you know that Navratri is celebrated in South India also, and it is celebrated as Bomai Kolu. And how can we forget Navratri of Gujarat, where we celebrate it with Dandiya and Garba Ras.
So let's enjoy it.
અને ભૂલો બધી વાત પ્રેમની આ મૌસમ છે अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमनी आ मौसम छे हो आई तारा रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात छोगा तारा ओए छबीला तारा ओए रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात रे छोगा तारा ओए छबीला तारा ओए रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात रे
खूब सरस ना हाँ खूब सरस एंड मिसिंग जलेबी फाफड़ा हाँ नेचुरली गुजरात बहुत फेमस है जलेबी फाफड़ा और उसके गरबा डांस के लिए सो रियली वी एंजॉयड इट प्रीति मैम डू यू हैव सम मोर
Yes, ma'am. Now, how can we forget the Durga Puja of West Bengal? The beautiful puja pandals and the beautiful Bengali ladies. So now let's have a glimpse of that.
खूब भालो शक्ति मिष्टी like rasgulla
Now, let's move to another festival that is Eid.
काबे की रौनक काबे का मंजर अल्लाह अकबर अल्लाह अकबर अल्लाह अकबर अल्लाह अकबर देखूं देखूं तो देखे जाऊं बराबर अल्लाह अकबर अल्लाह अकबर देखूं तो देखे जाऊं बराबर
Yes, that is the beauty of our India. And Priti is rightly said, मंदिर में दाना चुगकर चिड़िया, मस्जिद में पानी पीती है। मैंने सुना है राधा की चुनरी कोई सलमा सीती है। एक रफ़ी था जो महफिल में रघुपति राघव गाता था, एक प्रेमचंद जो बच्चों को ईदगाह सुनाता था।
Very well said by Pooja ma'am. Yes. Do you know why Onam is celebrated in South India? No. Okay, fine. Now, let's have the story of King Mahabali and the beautiful dance presented by South Indian girls. Let's welcome them.
There was a demon king, Mahabali. As his name, he was so brave and he conquered the gods. All the gods got worried and they came to Vishnu to help them. Then God Vishnu came to earth as Vamna. Vamna is his fifth avatar who came to earth to defeat Mahabali. When Bali asked what gift the holy men desired, then Vamna requested only as much land as he could cover in 3 steps. And Vamna took the first step, which covered the whole earth. And in the second step, he possessed the whole heaven. Now, there was no place left where he could keep the third step. Then Mahabali said, "Sir, please keep your third step on my head." And Lord Vishnu pleased with it. And he blessed him for his kindness.
മുത്താളം മുടിതാളം കളിയാടും നാടേ നിൻ തുഞ്ചത്ത് മുത്തോളം മുകിലോളം മലയാളം പാടും നിൻ തീരത്ത് പൂപ്പൊലിപ്പാട്ടീണം മൈലാഞ്ചി പാട്ടിനഴകൊടു കൂട്ടുകൂടും നേരം നല്ലോണം നമ്മൾ കോണം
മിന്നൽ പൂരം തുടിതാളം മഴയുടെ മേളം നീണ്ടു നിൽക്കും നറമനതാളം പരിചകളുടെ വേരൊളി മേളം നെഞ്ചിനു താളം നിലവിനു മേളം കിടക്കയുടുക്കുമുടുക്കുമിടയിലെ
Yes, so we have the different color of India. And this is the beauty of our India, that our unity is our strength, but our diversity is our strength.
My dear fellow Indians, wasn't this all wonderful? Well, these were some glimpses of India. The vastness of Indian culture is beyond our imagination. However, there is no festival greater than the festival of humanity. So let's celebrate that as well.